Pinakamasarap at pinakamalutong na lechon, kinilala na sa katatapos lamang na lechon kumbira ng Ormoc City. The people have spoken. Tuluyan nang kinilala ang pinakamasarap at pinakamalutong na lechon ngayong taon sa katatapos lamang na lechon kumbira ng Ormoc City. Mula sa 12 naglaban-laban, 3 ang kinilalang pinakamasarap at pinakamalutong ng mga hurado. Ang lechon kumbira ang isa sa pinaka-highlight ng festival ng Ormoc City.
This competition is our way of encouraging our lechoneros to continue upholding the quality, the exceptional taste, and the perfect appearance of our lechons that have made Ormoc Lechon a source of pride for our city. The Lechon Kumbira is more than just a gastronomic competition. It is a celebration of our food culture and an opportunity to promote Ormoc Lechon as one of the very best in the country.
Ngunit ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng kumbira?
I would like to share this one. It talks about kumbira. When you say kumbira, it talks about feasting or feast, generosity or hospitality.
Bago simulan ang kompetisyon, ikinuwento muna ni Congressman Richard Gomez kung paano nagsimula ang lechon kumbira.
When we started doing this, actually just to give a little background, kami ni Vice Mayor Toto, then we were talking and together with the rest of the councilors, sabi namin, the lechon of Ormoc is good. Actually, it's so good, kaya lang, hindi siya popular somewhere else. It's always in Ormoc. And then I always tell them, if you compare the lechon of Ormoc and lechon of other places, may laban talaga ang Ormoc lechon. So, what we did was, we started the lechon kumbira to prove and to show that the whole Visayas, to show the whole region that the lechon in Ormoc is so good and it is truly wonderful, delicious.
Samantala, bukod sa 3 winner na pipiliin ng mga hurado, pipili rin ang mga taga-ibang lugar na isang winner para sa People's Choice Awards.
Because we have many visitors from Manila, there will be aside from the ones that the judges will choose, there will also be a Visitor's Choice Awards, and that table is in charge of that. They are people who are really not residents of Ormoc, so tonight they will judge which for them is the best lechon.
Level up naman ngayon ang kompetisyon dahil nagtila isang beauty pageant ang nangyari matapos nabigyan ng buhay ang bawat presentasyon ng mga kasaling lechon.
In the past, the lechon would just be brought out and then chopped immediately. But today, without giving any clues as to who the lechonero is, the lechons will be like beauty contestants. They will be paraded and they will be judged for how they look. Of course, the one that will determine really which lechon will win will be the taste. But presentation, as our chefs know, always matters. So we scaled up a bit this year.
Bago simulan ang kompetisyon, may paalala naman si Mayor Lucy sa mga hurado.
I hope your maintenance nets are all ready. I've also asked that pineapples be distributed in the tables later on, pampawala sa umay. And with that, happy fiesta everyone, just enjoy the evening.
At sinimula na nga ang tila beauty pageant na parada na 12 lechon at ang pagpili ng mga hurado na magiging winner ngayong taon.
Sa gugmaw pag-iusa sa Ormoc kanon, mas ligo ng umaabot. Ormoc, the city of beautiful people, maanyag nga syudad. Ormoc padayon sa kauswagan, Kalambo ano kahapsay sa tanan. Ormoc nga maanyag ugang ay pasigarbo sa tibok
Matapos tikman ang bawat isang lechon, agad itong tinadtad at ipinamahagi sa publiko na maaga pa lang ay nakapila na para matikman ang mga ipinagmamalaking lechon ng Ormoc. Bawat isa ay sabik na makatikim ng hindi lamang libre, kundi the best na lechon sa buong Pilipinas. Bago ang announcement ng winners, pinasalamatan muna ang lahat ng mga tumulong para maging successful ang Lechon Kumbira 2026.
We would not go without thanking our visionary leaders, Mayor Lucy Torres Gomez, Congressman Richard Gomez, Vice Mayor Toto Locsin Jr., the 17th Sangguniang Panglungsod, OFCF President Tita Diling, Sir Jude Abenoja, our Executive Chair, ug sa tanan nga naningkamot, and especially, we would like to honor our lechoneros. Pakpakan nato. Lechoneros have their own craft. No, for us, it is a craft to make lechon. They enjoy doing it, making it, and we enjoy consuming what they do.
Hanggang sa i-announce na ang mga nagsipanalo sa Lechon Kumbira 2026.
In third place, garnering a total of 83.43%. In third place is contestant number 10, 83.43% Poldas Lechon. In second place, with a total of 84%, contestant number 5, Aslanan ni Tito Sogay. Tonight's grand winner, garnering a total of 85.43%. So kung makita ninyo no, double kayo, 83.43 ang third place, 84% ang second place, and in first place, 85.43%, winning 100,000 pesos. In first place, Proning Alice Romos Lechon.
Samantala, ipinagkaloob naman sa Aslanan ni Tito Songahid ang People's Choice Award.